Imagine a place where not one, but three black holes are locked in a cosmic dance, orbiting each other at unimaginable speeds. Sounds like science fiction, right? But just recently, astronomers have discovered the first ever black hole triple system, and it's challenging everything we thought we knew about the universe. This incredible discovery is a galactic system with three supermassive black holes, each as powerful as millions of suns, gravitationally bound in one spot. Scientists believe this system could provide brand new insights into how galaxies are formed and what might happen when these cosmic giants interact. Black holes like these are typically found at the centers of galaxies, pulling stars, dust, and gas into a vortex of intense gravitational force. But a system with three black holes presents a rare and complex puzzle. Astronomers have only observed a handful of binary black holes, systems with two black holes orbiting each other, but finding three bound together is unprecedented and opens up a new realm of possibilities. These three black holes are so massive, they make our sun look like a pebble by comparison. Scientists estimate that their combined mass could be millions or even billions of times greater than that of our sun. But what's even more exciting is how these black holes affect the space around them. As they orbit, these black holes create gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time itself. By observing these waves, scientists are learning about the forces that pull galaxies together and even what happens when galaxies collide. When galaxies merge, their black holes eventually meet in a cosmic collision, forming even more massive black holes. This new discovery offers a close-up look at this process and shows how galaxies might evolve over billions of years. Typically, each galaxy has its own central black hole, but as galaxies come together, these black holes can pair up or even form triple systems like the one just discovered. This triple system could even be a snapshot of an upcoming merger, a process that would unleash immense gravitational energy. A discovery like this changes how we think about our universe. Are there even more complex systems of black holes out there? Could there be quadruple systems or even more? This groundbreaking find is just the beginning. As our telescopes and technology improve, we may uncover more of these strange cosmic neighborhoods, revealing the secrets of black holes, galaxies, and the very structure of the universe itself. Want more updates on the mysteries of space? Don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for the latest in cosmic discoveries.